I didn't know it was going to be a quickie.
Yeah, that's what the
Oh
show's
gosh,
called.
I took a bath and everything.
Hey everyone, you're watching Quickies by the Bare Naked Chef, powered by Scruff. And today I have a special guest.
It's me, everybody! Celine Dion! No, it's Carson Kressley.
It's actually Carson Kressley. And I've asked him to come over to help me make dinner for my Scruff date.
Okay, yeah, and if he's really hot, maybe I'll stay and we can do, we can have three, oh, there's only 2 pieces of meat. That's not gonna work. Are you gonna show me who he is?
Yeah, of course. I've started doing match.
Oh, that's where the one person likes you and you like that, and then you don't have to do the awkward block.
Right.
Okay.
It's interested, not interested, and I'm definitely interested. What do you say about that?
Oh, yeah, that's it. I thought there was a leg. He's very attractive and he looks like he likes meat.
Yes,
so I think this is good. So what are we making?
Total. I'm gonna make him a New York strip steak.
Okay, so you just salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Okay.
I'm actually gonna have you pepper.
Oh God, I'd love to work your pepper mill.
Lots, be very generous with that.
And should I do the other side?
Other side, you're gonna flip them
Should
around.
I flip them around? Are they verse?
They are.
Try and use some scruff lingo.
For medium rare, we're gonna
Okay.
cook it like 4 to 5 minutes. And we're gonna rotate it every minute. We're gonna take these steaks and we're gonna put them away from us, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna hear that sizzle.
Mm-hmm.
The trick is too, you wanna leave your meat
Yes.
at room temperature. You don't wanna take it straight from the fridge and cook it when it's cold and rock hard in the center.
Okay.
What's
I
gonna
got
happen?
distracted for a second. It's gonna said rock hard, and I was just like, what?
So we're gonna
That was our
one
first
little
minute.
flip.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta ask you, how much do you love being a judge on RuPaul's Drag Race?
It's actually really fun, and every time I do it, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe they're paying me to do this because I get to go, I wear a cute outfit, I see amazing queens, I get to sit next to Ru,
Amazing.
and then usually like in the other side is like Olivia Newton-John or Lady Gaga, and I have them commandeered for like 6 hours of taping. They'll always bring like a giant cake at the end of lunch, and none of us, I don't think me, Michelle, or Ru can resist cake.
We just toss,
Okay, so you put your spices in there too, I've never done that.
those herbs, right.
And then how do you know what temperature it is on the inside?
So if you touch here, if you touch
Oh, you mean the way it feels?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, no, this is fully done. I'm almost 40. Let me see how many inches away your date is. Oh my God, he's inside me. Oh, that's somebody else.
So tell me, what are you working on right now? You've got something burning?
I actually have a new show for Bravo that we're starting filming on Sunday, and it is an interior design extravaganza.
So you're going back into the design arena.
Style. Yeah, I did mostly work in fashion, but I think interiors are so similar, and it's what I really love doing. Should we turn the beef around?
Love to hear percussion.
You can't sing that much. We don't have money to license this.
We're just going to let this
Oh, we're gonna let it rest?
Yes, we're going to let it rest for a few minutes.
All right.
For the juices to settle.
Right.
Before we cut into it. And then
Okay. Do you think your date is going to be similar?
I hope it's the larger size.
Did you get some unlocked images? See, I know what I'm talking about. I usually get one of these. Just a jalapeno. I love plating. Can I do the plating?
Do the plating. We'll let you do that.
We'll put it up front so all the people at home can see.
So let me cut into this one.
Oh, you're gonna cut into it and check it?
Just to show you.
Right. Sorry, I'm a bossy bottom.
I mean, that's
Oh, that looks
perfect
gorgeous.
Medium rare, right?
Beautiful. Okay. Here, we'll clink forks.
Tasty? You think you'll like it?
Let me swallow. That was really good. That was really good. He's gonna love it. That is so good. It looks better than the Outback Steakhouse, yeah? Oh, that looks gorgeous. This is very restaurant-y, and that was so easy. Well, now I have to scamper.
Okay.
You better put that in the warming room. Let's see where Francisco is.
How many feet away?
Oh my God, he's only 17 feet away. I've got to go.
Oh, you better get out of
You
here.
better take that apron off and get ready to answer the door.
Thank you
Thanks
so
having
much
me.
for coming by.
I'm taking this potato.
See ya. Thank you.
No, I'm not leaving. I'm just hiding in the bedroom so I can operate the video camera.